Well, today we're out in the garden. We're going to harvest a few things so we can have some interesting textures in our floral arrangement. First, I'm going to get some of this rosemary. And then, of course, if I don't use it in my floral arrangement, I can put it on some potatoes, right? Just some long pieces because we're going to do a horizontal today. Then we're going to come back over here and get some bamboo. Here we go. I've already done some, so I was just going to show you. Get some longer pieces. Some nice bamboo. Now let's get some Saladago, or goldenrod is what we call it in the South. Here's our goldenrod. It's kind of in with my butterfly bushes. It's volunteered to be here, actually. I didn't plant it. So we're going to get it. We're doing some sunflowers, so we'll need maybe a little more yellow to kind of match up with the sunflowers. We may use it, we may not. We'll just see what we want like when we get to making the arrangement, of course. There you go. I think we got some greenery now. Okay, we're back inside. I'm in my basement area that I do my floral arrangements in. We have a pot. I was kind of making it rustic so it looked good with sunflowers, and it does have a liner in it. We have our oasis. I have soaked it for 15 minutes. I had to put it on one side and then turn it around and soak on the other side because it was long. Now we're going to put this in here and we're going to just wedge it. I've already cut it to where it's just a little bit over the pot, and we're going to wedge this in with this other one. And we are going to do a line arrangement today. That means it looks more like a line. There are line arrangements, there are mass arrangements. Mass arrangements are the ones that look like a big round arrangement. And there are line mass, which have qualities of both. They have some lines in them, and then they do have a massive in the center. Okay, so today we're going to take these sunflowers, and they are going to be in our center. Okay. Can you see that thing? Okay. You could do less or more of these in the center. Kind of depends on what you like. I'm thinking that might be enough right there. Block. Okay, now we got to think about what we're going to do for our line. Build our line here. We're going to try the bamboo. I want to go down so you can see more here. Let's see. This will be the the line part of the arrangement. Doesn't have to be exactly on both sides, but I think that's what I'm going to do this time. A line arrangement can be a very modern looking arrangement, or it can be less so. This will work on a very long table arrangement. I'm going to put a little in the middle just so it kind of matches up with those long ones. Doesn't have to, we don't have to have that, but we need something to cover the oasis too. Now, pick up a little bit of the white that is in the pot. Would be nice. And I'm going to put some roses in, I think, just for the fun of it and a little romance. On it. Okay. Now the length of the line, I'm going to come out here. I think you could stop there if you wanted to. Or you can make the line a little further here. A little thicker. See, I'm putting one of the roses on this side of that salad egg, on the other one over here. On this side, the salad egg over here. Yeah, I think I might have one in the middle. We still got to cover up some of that some of the oasis. I should have done a couple more of the goldenrod, but that's okay. rosemary for a little texture. And it smells really good too, this rosemary. Alright, this side looking pretty good. Now I'm going to turn this around. And there's your line arrangement. It does have more in the middle than some would. You could have less in the middle and make it look a little more modern. But I like it. Okay, I hope you enjoy seeing this line arrangement with the green roses, sunflowers, white astrameria, and we have the yellow goldenrod and some rosemary, and also the bamboo. There's a lot of cute things I think I'm going to try with the bamboo. I've never really used it in an arrangement before, but it looks like it'd be pretty neat to try some other arrangements with it. Let's see. Thank you so much for coming by CNC Creations, and we will see you soon.